Hello there. This is the third part of the series in which we will try to enter details to the database. In the previous part, to have successfully connected to the database. In this video, we are going to retrieve value from text field and send it to the database online. Here we are going to create a function called insertData. We are going to paste the URL /PHP file name. In this insertData function, we are going to require two values which we are going to retrieve from the text field. I am using the same value twice for the simplicity. You can use two text field. Here, remember the keyword should match the keyword in PHP file, which is get username and get password in my case. Here, this is my MySql panel. On the top you can see this is my database name, and here this is my table name. Here this is my column name, which is username and password. Here, this is the savedata.php file. We will have to call the db_config.php on top to create a connection to the database first. Then we are going to create the variables. Here get username and get password keyword should match exactly in the uFlutter function. After that we going to create an insert query. User is the table name here, username and password is the column name. Now we are going to run the app. Let's enter something here, and in the terminal you can see the output successfully. Now here we are going to refresh the database. Now can see the updated table here. So it's working perfect. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.